My country people them, this one a grand casserole. Oh boy, so my brother for France, we come out Zaire, don't vex. He enter for museum, he carry some statue them. They call it what talk say akoko. He carry some akoko. He said this statue so, this works of art so it belong to Africa. I need the carry it goes straight back to Africa. He said he's taking it back to where he came from. And so Oyibo they scatter, they charge. They call police come. The boy say, Una don't fool we tire. Una be say this one as them all. They are demonic. They wanna carry demonic at them. Una can put that for museum, una they take and make money. So Catholic church say, oh, this as them Africa they be demonic. Una still carry the money thing and una can't put that for here, una the work money. Now how? Una chase we be mumu. No, we don't know. We want carry all what the money at them. Carry and go back for Africa. Una live with. Say this one so una leave me, make una not touch me. I don't vex. I they carry and go back for Africa. They say now your own. He say yes, na own one way or the other. He did take and go back for play where he come out. All these beautiful arts the way Africans will be doing. Good drawings them. Beautiful things that they will create them. That way they will not sweep all man for Africa, carry them, sell them for slavery. They come back, come take all our art, take all our sense, take all our beauty, take all our treasure. But today they say they don't want we. Oh, but make them give we what things them, but if they don't want we, no. You understand? So now with these brothers they vex. Say the people the way they do other arts, they take and make money today. Artists right they not get. Their country not get artists right. Their family not get artists right. But now so for this country, if one man he draw monkey, that monkey for paper he get right, he get artist right. If you use that for any place, they will pay the person. But Africans them do millions of arts where they there for European and American museum today. But Africans they not get go. So now they think they vex the boy in Bele. He say he call everybody, but not joining for this struggle, not joining for this fight. Say around the world you get African arts they full, but Africans they not they get any artistic right for those things, and they are making money. Place where those arts they come out, they not get water for drink, they not get hospital, they not even get road them for go there. But they are arts them there for Europe that they make money. That better thing. This boy he don't vex. He even tell them say, as they inside here where you don't see him. Where they even right now for their village, where na terminology there for village, where una even look on and not know. Say back, una give them their thing, they make the car go back for where they come from. You don't understand? I look this thing so I say how? Chai! This brother he get right. So we will not get artists right. Artists right. They say Europe and America are country for law. They put law. That they be number one people there for law. So hard to go just forget this kind of law. They take what art them, they not give artists rights. But their own. We they pay them their artists right. Now better thing not fine. So I know some people they want to see this video, but some people they never see it. You ain't never see them. Oh yeah, look, man boy, I see they tell them the truth. Oh yeah.
Ici, avec l'ensemble de musées dits des missions catholiques, parce que l'église catholique doit rendre tous les biens. Ils nous ont menti que c'était de la sorcellerie. Or, c'est ça la sorcellerie qui apporte 12 € ici. Chaque entrée ici apporte 12 €. Voici les produits de la sorcellerie. Les missionnaires catholiques et chrétiens sont venus nous dire que c'est de la sorcellerie, alors qu'ils l'ont amené ici pour gagner de l'argent. L'église catholique va rendre des comptes, ou sinon... Elle a le droit de le faire. Je suis venu prendre ce qui a été volé. On ne demande pas la permission de récupérer ce qui a été volé. De 1880 à 1960, vous avez pillé l'Afrique. Et le nom de tous ces pilleurs et colonisateurs se trouve là, inscrit dans ces murs, qui a été versé ici. Cet argent aussi doit repartir en Afrique. Il y a dans ces musées 90 000 pièces venues de toute l'Afrique. 90 000 pièces, je précise. Dans 1428 de la République démocratique du Congo, là où il n'y a plus de routes, là où il n'y a plus des hôpitaux, alors que vous vous enrichissez 12 € par personne sur toute toute l'étendue de l'Europe occidentale jusqu'aux États-Unis. Pillage systématique. Je suis venu récupérer mon bien. Ce qui a été volé, ça nous a été pris sans notre consentement. Donc je rentre avec à la maison. Vous voyez, on ne vole pas les fruits de l'esprit. Nos ancêtres ont imaginé, réfléchi intelligemment pour produire ces œuvres qui vous rapportent des millions. Vous n'avez même pas honte. Le sang de femmes, enfants, jeunes et vieux, de la récupération de notre patrimoine. Ça, c'est le produit de notre intelligence, de notre savoir-faire. L'œuvre de l'esprit, vous l'avez souillé pour faire des millions et des milliards ici. 12 euros par personne, rien que ceux qui sont ici. C'est vous les délégués de l'Europe. Les délégués de l'Europe. Ah, la police, vous êtes venus pour savoir ce qui se passe, c'est que je suis venu récupérer le bien qui ont été volés. Vous, en tant que la police, vous êtes censé nous aider à identifier les voleurs qui ont volé ces biens. De 1880 en 1960, ces biens ont été pillés en Afrique. Je vous cite avec précision, 9800 pièces au Tchad, 1428 pièces en République démocratique du Congo, 3800 pièces au Bénin Dahomey, 10 000 pièces à peu près au Nigeria, et ainsi de suite. La liste est longue de nos biens qui ont été pillés. Alors on digne héritier de mes ancêtres qui ont été massacrés, violés, des femmes et enfants qui ont été éventrés. Pour avoir ces choses, je suis venu récupérer le bien.
You see, now our brother that not there for joining, maybe we'll join in, we all cry, make they hear our voice. If they don't like we, then the things that they go like in our hearts, it cannot work. And would you talk this talk, say, make them understand, say, all those Africans, the way they do this great arts, the way they take and they divide them within themselves for Europe and America, they need artists' right. The nation needs artists' right. And they can forgive them their right. If they don't want to give them the artist right, make them give back their arts and make them take and go back. That's so I go for museum and see. Fine arts the way now Africa they make them. I see so I dare say even commander from my village. I see some akokoro, that correct akokoro. They call them from a akokoro. You see those shidong so. I just remember the way I just said. Now my papa always they carry because my papa be get one correct one too. You understand? So now so you get for B. If they think that they want to keep the all this art them, then they get for the gift with the artist right. Because the artists was here, they are wonderful. I see golden bed where they make up now 300,000 years. 300 years ago they make that bed. It's still there. It did there for their people that they pay local. You see can't them. Huh? You see that one they call mommy. Now mommy they died in Canada for Africa for 300 and almost 330 years ago. They keep her there, they want money. That country where that mommy is they come out for Egypt, then they get kobo. No cent, no cap, kobo they don't get them correcting. So when I think France now will be number one, now go give we back all that will ask them. With the back will go no one trouble. If you don't want to give with the art, then give with the artist right so that maybe we do they get the money. If we take the money, fix all that places with that great people the way they do the art and come out. You understand? So me I be just to remaster when I go join me, mom will cry sometime. They will give we artists right too, so that we too fix out the benefit from the thing the way what grandpapa them do. You understand? So if you watch this news, you know, and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Oh yeah, go and subscribe. Follow me for Instagram, tweet, Facebook. You understand? Share this video, make it go stay, go reach for all sides for the West. So one war, arts and back, all. They say they don't want we, may they give our arts and back. You understand? And Kali Church will not stop for the full week. If we not say what arts them be not demonic, demon arts them, we not say Kara, we not come to them. For now, museum, they will not make money, not correct it. So now, to remand, see make a can tell una do the right thing. Make una do the right thing. So I just keep a real. They call me Grand Casserole. I cut una cafe.